कैसा? So guys, now we are entering from the back side. Before it was from the front side we entered. So I have ordered vada. Technically, yes, this is my favorite. Rachel ordered for herself plain dosa and I ordered masala dosa. It's going to take like 5 minutes. Technically, good we ordered this. One I'm going to have and one Rachel's going to have. Cheers. It's nice and crispy. Should have been a bit bigger, but I think small size is better because then you feel like you've eaten a lot. So I would rate this like an 8 on 10. It's good, crispy and good. Actually 9.5.
9.10. It's good.
And usual, the coffee, the filter coffee, it's a 10 on 10. On the first day, I started eating from here and this part of my dosa fell down. But yesterday, I saw a reel, like last night, where the person starts from middle over here and he takes it. It's a lot of ghee, but worth it. Okay guys, I got my mic and the transmitter as well, and Rachel's over here, and right now we are going to Fun City, right? Fun World. Guys, this is Rachel's outfit for today, and this is what I'm wearing. This is something that I purchased over here at Fun World, and right now I have a plastic cover that I put for my phone so that it becomes waterproof. iPhone is waterproof, though Rachel suggested me to buy one just to keep my phone safe.
What the? Oh shit! Oh shit! What man?
किधर किधर
इधर नीचे.
देखो ना भैया
थैंक यू, आपका ये उपकार जिंदगी भर याद रहेगा मुझे।
Oh my god! So guys, this is Fun World. We completed all those rides and now we are going over there. There's one crazy one over there which I will obviously record. It's going to come again, foggy. So let's see how it turns out.
How are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining. कैसा? So guys, this was a ride which I took just now, and it was one of the best rides over here. If you're someone who enjoys thrill and all, please do come and check out this place. Highly recommended, 10 on 10. I would give it 5 stars, 5 on 5 stars. Also my boys, if you guys are watching this, you need to go on something like this. Damn good. So guys, right now we are going on the rides and we are walking towards I think the giant wheel or some hula, something that I did in Dubai. I don't know what it is called. Can't wait to try out those rides over there. Don't worry. I'm just gonna hold your phone tight.
My neck, my neck shook.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Experience है मेरी.
What happened?
We have finally done with Fun World and the rating was 10 on 10. We are super exhausted. I don't know how Rachel enjoyed the rides. Did you enjoy?
My throat is gone after screaming so much. That means it was a good experience. Yeah, I enjoyed. It was a nice birthday.
Okay guys, so right now I'm going with Rachel to a steakhouse. This is my outfit and yeah, let's go celebrate her birthday. So we have come
The grill house.
the grill house and it is Rachel's birthday. So they have given us like a complimentary starter. And what complimentary? They've
Yeah,
given
bread.
something
The
that's
garlic bread.
the garlic bread, some dip. And
This is, yeah, what is it? Yeah, butter dip.
And we have placed our order for starters. One is a ghost wings. He said that they are going to be very spicy, and the other one's Mexican shredded beef. Now, Mexican cuisine is something that obviously you get in Goa, but I don't know which one will be way better, this or that. And I've never tried Mexican beef, but tacos, yes. Okay, so Rachel is going to try a mango mint mocktail. It's nice. So Rachel's going to do the taste test. I don't know, I'm going to have it with my hands.
It's extremely spicy, but It's really good.
So I'm going to have the spicy hot wings. It's tasty and spicy. I'm going to get my hands messy and finish this entire thing. That's it. It's damn spicy. Guys, so the next thing is the Texas
Mexican.
Mexican barbecue. No, Mexican beef bread. Yeah?
Mexican shredded beef.
Don't tell me it tastes like Goan beef chili fry. Huh? Goan chili fry? Goan beef chili fry. What is saying? I somewhat guessed it looking at it. What if it tastes like Goan beef chili fry?
A bit.
Now it's my turn to taste this. Let's go for it. This is what my dad makes when he wants to do some fusion. You know, right? When your dad just decide to make some dish and it turns out to be the best one, this is that dish. Best dish. So we have finally got the Texas T-bone. It's my first time having T-bone. So we have the Texas T-bone here, mashed potatoes, some rice, some veggies, and garlic bread. Rachel wanted to order a separate one for herself.
I didn't want to order. He was telling me that he doesn't want to share his food.
Joey doesn't share food.
But I'm going to see how he eats this entire thing all alone.
Okay guys, so let's do the Texas T-bone taste test. I think rare to medium would have been better compared to other steaks. So I think this one would be my go-to steak.